After researching ways diet and exercise can influence your everyday life, I came across one major discovery. That discovery being in shape affects more than just your body. Being out of shape or unhealthy can cost dollars out of your own pocket to pay for insurance rates. Now for some background knowledge about food and obesity in America. The obesity crisis in America is not something that has gone unnoticed, but has been around for a while. The obesity rate from people from the age of 12 to 19 has quadrupled since 1980, from 5% to 20.5%. From ages 6 to 11, it more than doubles from 7% to 17.5%, and as a whole, from ages 2 to 19, the obesity rate has tripled. Now, one of the reasons behind the staggering jump in obesity are the prices of food that are being sold. For example, ramen noodles at McDonald's are very cheap, while fresh fruits and vegetables are more expensive. This causes people who are poor to migrate towards the cheaper foods, which are also more unhealthy. Now for the actual reasoning behind why insurance companies charge different rates based on people's diet and exercising habits. People that are severely overweight or unhealthy pose a bigger risk to the insurance company. The bigger the risk, the more money the company might have to pay to the person for their insurance. So in order to compensate for the potential loss of money, companies charge higher rates based on the risk that their customers pose. This is the exact same concept as smokers versus non-smokers. People who smoke pose a bigger risk to the insurance company. So in order to get the same amount of insurance as a non-smoker would, they would have to pay more money. So now into the real question. Do students at Appalachian State know the effects of being in shape and how it can affect their insurance rates?
It affects you by making you feel more active, getting fatigued less often, and helps fight sicknesses.
I think being in shape would help me to live a longer and healthier life and like one day be able to, I guess, do things with my kids when I'm like 50 or something that I wouldn't be able to do if I was unhealthy.
Being in shape can help me live a healthier life longer. Honestly, I didn't even know it had anything to do with my insurance.
No, I actually had no idea that bad dieting and exercising would affect my insurance bill. That's kind of scary.
I did know that. I didn't know much about it, but I've heard that before.
Yeah, I guess I will probably start tracking my health a little bit closer, watching what I eat, I guess, and exercising more frequently.
I'll definitely pay a little bit more attention to it than I did before now that I've known this information.
Yes.
In conclusion, App State students are somewhat knowledgeable in this area. If we keep informing people about the consequences of poor diet and exercising habits, I think we can lower the obesity rate in America, especially on college campuses.
Can you stop?
Yes, now I'll change everything. This video changed my life.
The problem is these people don't know the compound effects of being